Hey guys, so in this video, I'm gonna show you something really important that's gonna help you avoid duplicating funnels or websites in GoHighLevel. By that, what I mean is, if I open a notepad real quick here, so my website domain is like awesomewebsite.com. So this is my website, and this is, or maybe just a funnel. So this is what I am trying to create in my GoHighLevel account. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this domain to my GoHighLevel funnel or website through this domain's DNS records. We already know that. Now, what happens when we want to browse this particular website through www.awesomewebsite.com? So in order to do that, we know that we have to go to settings and then domains. As you can see, I already have services dot my website domain. So this is ashaduzzaman.com. So I've got a subdomain services.ashaduzzaman.com. I've also got www.services.ashaduzzaman.com in case people want to like directly browse through the www wildcard, which is fine. Now, as I have connected these two using my domain records, I'll just show you now how I've done it. So if I go to my DNS records, this varies like the user interface, the system, how they manage the DNS records. It's different for each of these domain providers or hosting providers. All right, so let's search. So as you can see, this is the subdomain. I've created an A record, and this is the record that HIGHLEVEL provided me with. So this is the same record value I've put for an A record. And this is just a simple process. You just have to click add record and then put the domain, put your subdomain, and then type will be A record, and then host, like the record will be the one that HIGHLEVEL provides. And similarly for www, what you have to do is you have to put a CNAME record. So the type will be CNAME, and the address will be this. So this is exactly what I've done, right? As you can see here, it says flash.funnels.messagesender.com, which is fine. Now, if I connect this to my services, just my landing page, what I am gonna see, let's see what I can see here. All right, so this is my services.ashaduzzaman.com subdomain. So I'll be able to see, let's just give it some time. As you can see, this is just a basic page. Now what happens if I type this? So the 404 page, you can see, because I haven't simply connected this to my funnel. So I'm just going to do that right now. So what happens, what you're going to see now is you're going to see the funnel loading just fine. But what I've done is I've just created a duplicate version of the funnel in terms of the domain getting pointed to my funnel. By that, what I mean, it might be a bit complicated, but I'm trying to explain you as simply as I can. So Google sees this as a website, okay? In marketing point of view, it's a funnel, but in technical point of view, this is a website. Now, what you are doing is when you're doing a www, Google sees this as a duplicate version of the same website that's under this subdomain. You don't want to do that, because those who are using GoHighLevel to host websites, to create websites, I know a lot of you are doing that, and I'm just doing this video for you guys. So don't do it. In order to avoid this duplication, what you want to do is you need to first of all remove this. You don't need that. Just keep it as it is. You don't have to point this www domain towards the funnel. What you need to do is you need to go to URL redirects from settings, and you just select this domain. Path will be just a /, and I'm just saying here, you are gonna select URL, and you're just gonna put the subdomain, the first one, not the www one. So this is the one we are gonna redirect to this and add it. Now, if we wait for just a few minutes, we will be able to see this URL getting redirected to this. So I'll just show you if I think it's already done. So yeah, as you can see, this was redirected from www to services.ashaduzzaman.com, and this helps you avoid duplication of websites in Google. So when Google indexes this website, it will just count this as one website. But if you didn't do it, Google would see this as two websites, which is not good for SEO. So I hope this video helps, and make sure you subscribe if you think these videos are helping, and I'll see you in the next one, hopefully. Bye.